Well, hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing a 3D canvas painting on one of our subscribers' request. So let's begin. We need a printer of butterflies, a canvas board, any color of your choice, a pair of scissors, paintbrushes and glue. So first we'll begin by painting the background. For the backgrounds I'm using orange, pink, yellow and red paints. Now we'll begin by blending in the paints. Now I'm adding some pink to give it a more of a pink shade. Now adding yellow to add some more yellow shades. Now I'm using pearl white to draw some lines to give it some shine. You can also use normal white. Now I'm stamping on some colorful dots using the end of the hot glue stick as well as the paint brushes. Now I'll be sticking on the butterfly cutouts. And now it's done. It's a very simple yet beautiful work of art. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye.